Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet these popcorn flower earrings. Now as the name suggests, I have used popcorn stitches so as to crochet them. I have done them in 3 different colors. You can go for any color as per your choice so that it matches up with your dress. So without any further delay, let's get into the tutorial. The materials that we need in order to crochet these earrings are 1.6 mm crochet hook, a 3-ply cotton yarn of any color as per your choice, earring hooks, pearls which will be sewing in the center part of the flower, pliers to attach the earring hook to our popcorn flower, and scissors. So let's begin. First make a magic circle and into this magic circle we'll be working 6 single crochets. So once you are done with your 6 single crochets, pull the tail of the magic circle so as to close it and slip stitch into the first single crochet worked. So that completes our round 1. Now for the round 2, we'll be working popcorn stitches. For that, work 3 chains. And these 3 chains will be considered as the first double crochet, and going back into the same single crochet, work 4 more double crochet. So including the 3 chains worked initially, in all I have worked 5 double crochet. Now I will be working the popcorn stitch. For that, insert your hook into the 3rd chain in this way, and you will be pulling this loop to the hook like this. So that completes the popcorn stitch. Now work 2 chains. So we have done with the first popcorn stitch. Now going into the next single crochet, we will be working the second one. For that, work 5 double crochets. Once you have done with your 5th double crochet, pull the loop in this way. Insert your hook into the first double crochet and pull the loop to the stitch like this. So that completes our second popcorn stitch. And after that, work 2 chains. So this process will be repeated 4 more times. So just continue with the sequence till you have in all 6 popcorn stitches, and after each popcorn stitch you will be working 2 chains. After working the 6th popcorn stitch, I have worked 2 chains. Now in order to complete the second round, go on the back part of the first popcorn stitch and work 1 slip stitch like this. So that completes the second round. Now we will be starting with the third and the final round. For that we will be working 1 more stitch so as to reach the chain 2 space between the popcorn stitches. Now work 3 chains. Now these 3 chains, as I mentioned earlier, will be considered as the first double crochet, and going back into the same space, work 4 more double crochet. So here in all, I have worked 5 double crochets. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain and pull this loop. So we have done with the first popcorn stitch. Now work one chain. And going back into the same space, we'll be working one more popcorn stitch of 5 double crochets. Pull the loop, insert your hook into the first double crochet and pull the loop through the stitch and work one chain. So the sequence of this round is to work 2 popcorn stitches followed by one chain into each of the chain 2 spaces. So in all we'll be working 10 popcorn stitches followed by one chain after each popcorn stitch. So moving to the next chain 2 space, we'll be repeating the sequence. So just continue with this pattern till the end of the round. Before I had by mistakenly mentioned that you'll be working in all 10 popcorn stitches, but in total I have worked 12 popcorn stitches, and after each popcorn stitch I have worked one chain. So after working the last popcorn stitch followed by one chain, slip stitch on the back side of the first popcorn stitch and cut the yarn. Now the next step would be to weave in all the loose ends on the back side, and I'll be sewing a pearl on the center part of the flower using a sewing thread and needle. So I've done with the second step where I've attached the pearl to the center part of the flower as well as weaved in all the loose ends on the back side. Now we shall work with the last step. We'll be attaching this popcorn flower to the earring hook. So just watch out carefully. Using the plier, open up the hook in this way. Going to one of the chain 1 spaces, attach the hook like this. And using the pliers, close the opening. So it's done. So in similar way, we'll be working one more earring. So that completes our popcorn flower earrings tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.